So for example 7 raised to 3 into 7 raised to 5, both base are equal, both power are differ. So 3 plus 5 is equal to 7 raised to 8. Correct? This is for product. For division, you have to subtract the power. Instead of adding, you have to subtract. For example, 5 raised to 7 divided by 5 raised to 2. It is 5 raised to 7 minus 2, 5 raised to 5. See, when there is a product, base should be equal. Base are equal, so power you have to add. When it is in the division form, you have to subtract the power. Sometimes first will be bigger. For example, 3 raised to 2 and second one is bigger. So 2 minus 8, 3 raised to minus 6. No problem. To convert negative power into positive, positive power into negative, that is also separate method. So don't worry. Now power of power. Suppose it is 7 raised to 2 and 3. So 7 raised to 2 into 3. So 7 raised to 6. Three simple rule I have given with the example, that when base same, power are different, and you have to multiply. So when you want to multiply, at that time you have to add the power. When there is a division, base are same, power are different. So first number minus second number means power minus power. Sometimes it will come negative also. Power of power. 7 raised to 2 raised to 3. 3 power of 2 power or 2 power of 3 power. Same, meaning is the same. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 3 into 6, 3 into 2 is equal to 6. And both 2 into 3 is equal to 6, 3 into 2 is equal to 6. So 2 power of 3 power or 3 power of 2 power, that is total 6. Now this is very important. To confuse, in exam they will ask different question. See, 7 raised to 0, 101 raised to 0, 501 raised to 0, a raised to 0, y raised to 0, x raised to 0. See, that is why I need host. See, after each and every second I have to enter the student. So this is 1, 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 this is 1. Why all are 1? Power is 0. With any base to the power 0, answer is 1. Keep in mind. Product, you have to add the power. Division, you have to subtract the power. When power is 0, final answer will be 1. With any alphabet, a raised to 0, 1, y raised to 0, 1, x raised to 0, 1, 501, any number. Power 0, value 1, not 0. Students are writing 0 in exam. Follow? Next. Next, how to convert negative into positive, positive into negative? Power, how we will convert? So I need one host, bacha. Anyone if it is interested and can cooperate, so please help, because no, again and again to add while teaching, it is too difficult for me. One student was there, but 10th and 9th, 10th and 8th timing were mismatched. So for example, this a raised to numbers 7 raised to 6, you can write 1 by 7 raised to minus 6. Numerator to denominator, sign change. 5 raised to 3, 1 by 5 raised to minus 3. 3 raised to 7, 1 by 3 raised to minus 7. When numerator to denominator, denominator to numerator, sign will change. Again, from this is from positive to negative. Now negative to positive. 5 raised to minus 3. It is 1 by 5 raised to 3. 7 raised to minus 2. 1 by 7 raised to 2. 9 raised to minus 7. 1 by 9 raised to 7. So all positive in denominator will be negative. All negative in denominator will be positive. So negative to positive, positive to negative. Next, these all 6 formulas are on the base when the base are equal. Here only A, 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 here only A. Now base double, AB, AB, AB. There are 3 rule, 3 formula for different base. See how. For example, 3 into 2 overall power is 5. So 3 raised to 5, 2 raised to 5. If it is 5 into 7 raised to 2, so 5 raised to 2 also, 7 raised to 2 also. If the power what you are writing, bacha? I am not getting you. From tomorrow, who will be coming? Camera is blur. Okay, I am doing something. Wait, give me one time. Wait. With a different base, power is same, so that same power goes to the different base. In division also the same, like this. If 3 raised to 2, 3 by 2 raised to 5, so 3 raised to 5, 2 raised to 5. If 5 by 7 raised to 2, 5 raised to 2, 7 raised to 2. Now here what you have changed, when you go from numerator to denominator, sign change. Here also that rule only, but see how we can show. 3 by 2 raised to minus 5. So you will write interchange 2 by 3 raised to 5. For the fraction, suppose you want to change the sign. Neil, bacha, close your video shooting. Neil, close the video. So numerator denominator, if you will change, power will positive become negative. If it is negative, become positive. Both. This is negative to positive. Suppose it is 7 by 5 raised to 3. So 5 by 7 is to minus 3. Vice versa. If you will change this from negative to positive, if you will change again, means somebody is calling. Yes, that is like during this, no, because internet is also very poor. Now I am using mobile data. Something went wrong in this. Now see. Better now see. Again blur. Wait. Now. अरे नील रुको ना बच्चा. हाँ now okay. Now okay. Vaishnavi, now okay. What happened today? Okay, wait. Wait, wait. Now it will be clear because the frequency is highest. Now I can't do anything. Close the mic. Now it is. Arshad, close your mic, I said. Alika, now it is okay, bacha. Okay, take a screenshot of this because these are the rules. As per that, you have to write the answer. Take a screenshot. I will send you the video, but for writing into the every time whenever I will finish the board, no, at that time you have to take the screenshot. So you can write in your notebook, you can write in your worksheet. So take it fast. Only 1 minute I am giving. Arey bacha, from this my side the frequency is 100%. Not 100%, but more than. Now see. From here it is all clear. Now don't shout. Share up. Just to click. Why you are taking so much time? Now all these rules we will apply. माइक ऑफ करो. Three raised to 5, 3 raised to 2. माइक ऑफ करो. माइक ऑफ करो. वैष्णवी, नोट डाउन द नंबर्स. who is over raised to 7 raised to n smart. Okay, now we have to write the answer. So this is 3, 5 plus 2, it is 3 raised to 7. Division. So 3, 7 minus 9, 3 minus 2, it is 1 by 3 raised to 2. Minus for plus. In same, we are using 2 formula. Now 3, 4 raised to 5, 3 raised to 20. It is negative, so positive like this. Power 0, blindly write 1, don't. अभी एकदम क्लियर है बेटा. Host Vaishnavi, now how it is said, tell me. So raised to 0, it is same answer, 1, always 1. And when powers, what to do, bacha, today not my time wasted. Even mobile, wait, I am doing it. Now, who is writing this? No, but who is sending this? 28 roll number, 28 roll. Darshan Khan, what you are writing? See. Okay. Power is 0 means final answer is always 1. When from my side, no, from my side it is okay. You wait for your network at least for 10 seconds. Wait, don't shout from there again and again. Everybody hears something wrong, I'll do it. Wait. Now it is better. Only one. It is improved. Now it is improved. Wait. Now tell me. Now tell me. Only single wire I am now I am connecting. Now it must be clear. Okay. 1 time 5 means only 5. Different base 5 raised to 2, 7 raised to 2. Now different base 5 raised to 3, 7 raised to 3. Now from negative to positive, 7 by 5 raised to 3. Correct? Ulta. So previous which rules I have given, now that we have used. Now 3.1, fourth root of 13, sixth root of 9, square root 256, cube root of 17, eighth root of 100, seventh root of 30. Of means what? Of means base. Of means base. Of 13, of 9, of 256, of 17, of 100, of 30. Now root power you have to write in 1 divided by 1 by fourth root, it is 1 by 4th. Sixth root, it is 1 by 6. Square means 2. Square root. Cube means 3. 1 by 3. Eighth root 1 by 8. Seventh root 1 by 7. So I have written from the word to the symbol. Now next question, from symbol to word. Take screenshot fast. Now new questions. 81. Don't write this column. 49, 1 by 2. 50, 1 by 5. 5 by 2, 1 by 9. 100, 1 by 19. 6, 1 by 7. Who is making mic on again and again? In first session, from word to symbol. Now symbol to word. Of what? These are the question now. These are the question now. So of 81, of 49, of 15, of 512, of 100, of 6. Now fourth root. 2 means what? Square root. 5 means what? Fifth root. 9 means what? Ninth root. 19th means what? 19th root. 7th root. So from word to sentence to from sentence to equation to sentence. In word to equation to word. Vice versa. Arshad, you better you leave it. Arshad. More than 10 message you have sent. More than 10 times you have make your mic on. Now you tell me what I can do for you. Not Arshad, that Arshad Khan. 7A 13, 6B 28, and where is 8th number? No. Arshad, if you will now do single mistake, no, I will remove you permanently. Power of root, root of power. Power of root and root of power of root of power of root of power of Question number 1. 2 to 5, 3 by 2. 1 minute कर रहा हूँ. Now, someone is calling on that. Clear? What happened? Now I have taken the lecture also. Wait. I said don't shout. Just wait for 10 seconds, automatically it will clear. Okay. Of what? 2 to 5. Of what? 45. Of what? 81. Of what? 100. Of what? 20. 1. Here also of 2 to 5, 45, 81, 100, 21. Now, power of root of power of root of power of root of power of root of power of root of. How to get the answer? Power means upper you have to write cube. Cube power of fourth power of sixth power of eighth power of 3 means cube. Cube power of. Now we will write denominator. Root means what? 2 means what? Square root. Fifth root of. Seventh root of. 10th root of. 7th root of. So numerator is power, denominator is root. Again, now ulta, they have asked root which, power which. So root of power of whose mic is on? Now this completely. Now first root means denominator, square root. From here my network is clear. Square root, fifth root, seventh root, 10th root, seventh root. Now power means numerator. Third power means cube root. Fourth root, sixth root, eighth root, cube root. Now like that, which power? Power means numerator from the fraction. Numerator you have to read. For 2 square, for 3 cube. For power you will read numerator. For root you will read denominator. Like that. And then also 4 lines they have given. Just take screenshot. Those who have good screen, no, you just take and share. Array, from your network problem, beta, from this side it is clear. For your network I can't help, bacha. Here also frequency is good. Square root of 5th power of 1 minute cube root of 4th power of 3 to 4. 5th root of square root square power of 264 cube root cube of cube power of 3. So base you have to write here, power you have to write here, root you have to write here. So first I write this 1 2 1 3 2 4 2 6 4 3. Now all power I will write numerator. Power, how much power? 5th power. How much power? 4th power. How much power? Square means 2 power. How much power? Cube means 2 power. 3 power. Cube means 3 power. Now root I will read. Root. How much root? Square root means 2 only. How much root? Cube means 3 only. How much root? This is 5 only. How much root? Cube root. So base, all root are in denominator, all roots are in numerator. Like that you have to complete. Okay? Take the screenshot. Because no, from my side it is okay. I don't know for you people only. Because 10th lecture I have taken previously. There was no so much problem.
We have to think about other subjects also, no? I understand for maths attendance is good, but students should appear the other subjects also, no? Only maths how they can appear, attend. We want all the 74 for all the subjects. I am not telling it that. I want 74 for all the subjects. So you put little effort, sir, take help from the subject teachers, do something, sir. We have to find a solution for this problem. It's like a problem which has to be solved by us only. Okay, any student who is not responding to you, any student you are calling him again and again but not responding, that now student's number you can forward me. Even I will try.